Okay, so we'll do the PCDC here. Okay, then for under the chin. So Pcdc is very similar to Kybella. Kybella has the oxalic acid as the active ingredient, while Pcdc is the oxalic acid and phosphatidylcholine. So it has two active ingredients, while Kybella has one.
Is Kybella like a brand name? Is that why it's more expensive?
Yeah. It's a brand name. It's more expensive, but honestly, that's what you're paying more for, which you don't need, and I don't need to pay for that. Yeah, this is more effective in my opinion and more affordable.
It's awesome. Everyone should do that.
Mm-hmm.